Oh yeah, that is the Khalifa wearing for you, popularly known as the Khalifa wearing. And yes, still on this Corona Inquest into Mohbad's case, we want to have feedback so far of this inquest for today. Here is a recess and what she will be able to tell us how far. So now, can you just give us a brief into this matter so far, what that happened today?
Good afternoon. It was like today, just like I said in the morning, that we're waiting to commence trial today. And exactly 12 o'clock, we commenced the criminal sitting of today commenced. And the first witness we took today was Mr. Aloba Joseph, the deceased father, and where all the cancers, interested parties cross-examined him, and some fact, we were able to elicit some fact from him. And today was his church. And another second witness that already entered into the witness box is the DJ to the date of his death. You know, he has adopted his written position, and presently the council also wants to cross-examine him. So because we just served today, you know, before he entered the witness box, we needed to go through the written position to enable us cross-examine and see the angle, you know, where we can ask him questions. Based on this, we applied for the court to stand the matter down for just 20 minutes, and the court granted, and the case was stood down for 20 minutes. So we are about to cross-examine the DJ and the person of the Salt Ajishigiri Salt Ayobami now, right in the witness box.
But in terms of the three people involved in the visit, when they called Mohbad's father in notification of his son's death, the name of the three people, including the father, can we have that?
No, like he said that when he got there, he met his wife. He said he met crowd, over 100 people. You understand? I think he was able to mention three names. He met, excuse me, just a minute.
Wife's elder sister.
He mentioned three people, you know, Darusha, and even the younger ones. One of the siblings also lives with him. There are other people, and also, you know, the crowd. You know, because they called him, before he called to him between 4 to 5. Even from the call, they didn't tell him that he's pastor. But they were trying to encourage him to say, Daddy, come on, hold on. Don't bother to come. But because of it being a father, he said he was suspicious. That no, I need to see my son. He said he's not feeling fine. You are calling me, it's okay. No, I need to see. Upon that, he started coming from Ikorodu, and they told him on the phone that he was at the hospital in Osapa, London. So on getting to Osapa, London, the man said, okay, where is the name? What is the name of the hospital? I am already at Osapa, London. Before they told him that, don't worry, go home. So he chose to say, no, I won't go back. And because he was already at the Highland. So he chose by himself to decide to go to his house. On getting to his house, he said he met, the whole place was crowded. And he mentioned those three names, you know, and he was furious at what happened. Then, because, you know, anytime he goes to his house, he has a place where he normally go up. You know, where he plays music, that he climbed the staircase. On getting there, he saw a clothes soaked with blood. That he looked at it, what happened? That he didn't say his son around. People now say, Daddy, come down. He's downstairs. And he met him lying down. The last place that they blocked his nose, the ears with country wood, you know, lying down on the ground. And asked him, what happened? How did it happen? You know, being a father, he got confused too. You know, and I think from all the questions we asked today, they caught to tackle of things, you know. I've been able to elicit some fact from him. But I know before the end of the corona, we should be able to just box what actually led to the consequences.
Say that he put salt.
Yes, another time he said when he got to the house, when he saw him now, that they put salt on top of it, you know, lying down. You know, maybe in the olden days, the way a mother they preserve that, you know, they cover your hairs with continue the laws, and also the customary way of preserving that they put salt, you know, on top of it.
All that we were done for 24 hours.
From what we had today, you know, he got there. They called him 4 to 5. Before he got there, maybe going about 7. You know. So as time he got there, that's what he met on the ground.
Oh man, talking about the police report and the death certificates, question, how do you see that too?
From what you gather from his father today, he said to date he has not seen any death certificate. And if you recall the last time of the sitting, the police only gave him terrible reports, not final reports. And as of today, I think they must have, because the representatives of the Attorney General duly informed them in the open court that once they are done with the final report, they should send it to the Attorney General's office for the proper peruse before today. And also, other interested parties counsel were in attendance. They should also oblige in copies.
I hope this would be used against perhaps this won't be used against perhaps Mohbad's father concerning the death certificate.
No. Mohbad's father cannot issue death certificate. He's not an expert in that area. It is only doctor, medical practitioner that can issue the death certificate. I think after the autopsy, once the autopsy result is ready, of course they will issue the death certificate. And also the coroner too will issue the warrant of burial, to bury properly, to be given a befitting burial.
All that happened was just a few hours that he was in court, and his son was told by that he should go by the cousin, that he need to go back home, that the son is okay.
Yeah.
But he chose to see.
He was sensitive and curious and that the calling was not really normal. Upon that, he said no.
How can somebody sick now and
He told me sick was at the hospital. Now okay, contradictory. That was what prompted. He said initially, from what we gathered from him today, that right from there, they took him to morgue. He was rejected. And no morgue, from what I know, no morgue will accept any dead person without death certificate, not certified, because he was rejected. And having considered his age, and as a father, he doesn't need to witness that kind of unpleasant situation. That was what prompted to that. If he's rejected from the morgue, maybe they should go and bury him down. That was what it prompted to the land that he holds by him, that they should go and bury him there. That he wasn't the one that took him there. He wasn't even there when they packed him. It wasn't there at the scene of the burial. So therefore, he wouldn't have known what transpired. Because upon the rejection from the Coroner'S morgue, that he could not take him, there had been a younger one and his son. That's what prompted him to say they should go and bury him. From what you gather from him today.
Yeah, your name and your...
My name is Abiodun Kolawale from African Women Lawyers Association, popularly known as Iya Ganefa Wahime.
Oh, okay. Nice to meet you.
It is a pleasure meeting you.